And hello guys, my name is Panda Awi and welcome back to Pixel Goodness. I made a little oopsie. So, I tried to build a starter house, but unfortunately, I forgot to record. And let's just say I'm almost done with the house. So let me give you a quick tour of what I've been doing. So the house is not 100% built. Okay, it's not yet 100% built. That's a good thing. But the majority of the build is finished. The exterior. I just need to add a few details. And I've been also busy gathering resources. Oh my goodness, they're so noisy. So if you can see, I now have dark oak. So again, I thought I was recording. I wasn't able to record myself going for dark oak. But at least we have this. We have this now. So I have now access to dark oak and also this wood, pale oak. And look at this is the first time I have seen this thing. This thing is beautiful. Look, it's so white. My goodness. I love it. I love it. I just can't. I can't. I'm gonna use it. Also, another thing that you need to know is I already spawn-proof the rest of my base. When I say the rest of my base, it means all around my base. Now, I have a mod pack here to show you the light levels of my base. So, if I just remove my shaders and turn on my texture pack, you can see there. So everything with orange, those tiles are still spawnable for mobs, and all the greens are safe. So we have a few. I guess I missed one. So let me just fix that. So there. So the vicinity of my base is very safe for me. So there's that. So what else? So as you can see, I've already I'm gonna remove the texture path file again. How do I turn this off and turn on my shaders? Okay. So as you can see, I've also put some tiles. This is the wood that I showed you earlier. I still don't have any other plans for this base for now. Another update. So let me go through another change. So this is something I've created. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to record. So if you notice, something is missing in this area of my base. So something is definitely missing. So there are path blocks here, so meaning there's something built there before. And there's the fountain. So what I did is create this villager breeder and then destroyed the whole village. Unfortunately, I didn't record how I built this, but I'm gonna share a link of the tutorial that I used for this villager breeder. It's very simple, to be honest. So that's that. And how I destroy the village, I will show you now. Okay, so for today, I'm going to address one problem that I'm having, and that is these things. So this is my temporary storage system, or storage for now. I'm planning to build a new one with an auto sorter using what you call this? Using, oh my goodness, using copper golems. So I'm gonna create a storage system using copper golems. So right now I'm trying to look for a suitable location. So what I planned actually is to go down here. I plan to put my storage area, or my storage here, close to my skeleton farm. So I think this should be enough for now. I don't really know if this is okay, but I'm going to design something in this area. So I guess I could start. This is, I don't know if this is a good location for a storage area. Definitely where I built my storage area, definitely there I will always be, or I will staying there frequently, because again, storage area always contains all my stuff. Building will require me to go back and forth to the storage area. That's why I need to think about this. But since I really like this area, oh my goodness, they're still smiling. I've decided to put my storage for my storage below this temporary base. I don't really know if this is a temporary base, but I'll get there. I'll decide if when I get there. But for now, I want everything that I need or want to be in this specific area. I don't know if I should go a bit lower than usual, or should I build it a little higher, this area maybe. So this will definitely change. So yeah, I need to decide. Well, the good news is you don't have to wait. That, because this is the video for that. I'm gonna do another time lapse. Of course, I love time lapse. Oh my goodness, this is the best thing I've discovered since starting to record Minecraft again. this is now my temporary storage area. It's not yet finished, see, but I do plan to use this immediately so I can try to mine everything that I can, try to farm. I really need storage because the storage upstairs, which is this one, is getting a little cramped. So I think that will be all for me right now. I don't really have that much to do. Next time I'll try to do something else, maybe fight the dragon. I kinda need the elytra, or at least fight the wither. I don't know if I can. Anyways, that would be all. Bye bye.